Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I turned scrap wood into a cute little bathroom stool. So stick around to see the finished product. So I started with a staple gun to just kind of clamp them together because I didn't really have anything to clamp them with. After that, I went in with the glue and started gluing all the pieces together. Next, I placed 2 wood pieces in the middle so that the small pallets had something to sit on. And to speed up the drying process, I used Gorilla Spray glue because it dries very fast. So that's what I used. I love using Gorilla Spray glue. It cuts the drying process in half. It's day 2 of making this stool. And it only took me 2 days to finish everything up. It didn't take me that long, only 2 days. Yeah, the second day, I let it dry for 8+ hours. The second day, everything was dry. As you can see, that's the back. I don't know why I didn't remove the tags. That's the back. Now I was just trying to figure out how to place the legs. I was just eyeballing it. So I'm just gonna have 2 legs, one on each side. So at first I wanted it the natural wood finish, so I thought I would just stain it with some wood stain. I stained it, but I didn't like how it turned out, so I decided to spray paint it. I spray painted black and I loved the result. And here is the final product. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.